Yo, what's up homies, I'm back. So it's been a while since I created my last video and I'm back again. I'm gonna tell you on how to play better or how to improve your playstyle on mobile in every Battlegrounds game. So let's hop into it, let's go. So if you're just like me who doesn't have his own PC and you're just playing some Battlegrounds game using phone, this is the perfect video for you. So I'm using my right thumb so I can swipe easily, just like that. So I can just in something like that. Then I'm using my right index finger so I can use my block and my punches. And of course, for my left thumb, I'm using it for joystick movements, and for the last, my index finger at the left where I use my abilities and my dash. Alright, so that is the thing that you need. Also, you need a good internet, of course, because sometimes the service is lagging, and also you need to adjust your controllers, because just like when you started, all the buttons, or almost all the buttons is there at the right corner of your phone. So just like PC, you need to use all your fingers, not I mean all, but you need to make use at least 4 of your fingers so you can do better. Yeah, just like that. I'm gonna show you how I play this game with this kind of layout of my controllers. Alright, let's go. So that's pretty much it. So like it's easy, right? You don't have to do a lot of things. You just need to be consistent. Just need to move your buttons and stay focused so you can learn it faster than normal. And for you to improve, also remember, you don't have to be better than any player. They have their own advantage, or they have their own playground where they are good. So what is important here is you improve. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching and goodbye. See ya.